Welcome back to the Utah Divorce Terms Glossary video series. Most definitions are from or based upon Black's Law Dictionary, but some definitions are taken from Utah sources or are my own. Today's term is Child Protective Order. A Child Protective Order is a court order issued under Part 2 of the Utah Code, Title 78B, Chapter 7, after a hearing on the petition of which the petitioner and respondent have been given notice in advance. A Child Protective Order may contain the following provisions. It can enjoin the respondent from threatening to commit or committing abuse of the child. It can prohibit the respondent from harassing, telephoning, contacting, or otherwise communicating with the child directly or indirectly. The Child Protective Order can prohibit the respondent from entering or remaining upon the residence, school, or place of employment of the child and the premises of any of these or any other specified place frequented by the child. Upon finding that the respondent's use or possession of a weapon may pose a serious threat of harm to the child, the protective order may prohibit the respondent from purchasing, using, or possessing a firearm or other specified weapon. The protective order can determine ownership and possession of personal property and direct the appropriate law enforcement officer to attend and supervise the petitioner's or the respondent's removal of personal property. The protective order can determine temporary custody of the child who is the subject of the petition. It can determine parent time with the child who is the subject of the petition, including denial of parent time if necessary to protect the safety of the child, and require supervision of parent time by a third party if deemed necessary. It can also determine child support in accordance with Title 81, Chapter 6, Child Support of the Utah Code, and any other order for further relief the court considers necessary to provide for the safety and welfare of the child. Again, see Utah Code Title 78B, Judicial Code, Chapter 7, Protective Orders and Stalking Injunction, Part 2, Child Protective Orders.